everyone, today I am going to show you how to make the pizza dough. That is, first we'll see how to make that. We 150 grams of flour. We need 250 grams of flour, and we need 1 teaspoon of yeast and 1 teaspoon of sugar. First we'll activate the yeast. Add lukewarm water to that and dissolve it. Dissolve it well until the sugar dissolve, and close it and keep to activate for 10 minutes. We need 1 teaspoon salt for the 250 grams of flour. Here's my activated yeast. We'll add to the flour. We need 2 tablespoons of oil. Vegetable oil, you can use vegetable oil or olive oil, what you prefer. Mix this. Add lukewarm water little by little. Don't add at once all the water. Add little by little and knead the dough. I knead the dough. Now put this dough onto a marble top and knead for 10 minutes. Knead this dough for 10 minutes like this. Now enough. We'll add to the bowl little oil and apply it, and keep this dough to until rise. And cover from a wet towel and keep for half an hour to rise. Like this, cover and keep for half an hour. For seafood pizza, we must use prawns. Any cuttlefish or anything you can use, but I am using prawns. This much of prawns, big prawns mean this much. Big prawns mean 4 enough for small size of pizza. I took 5 of that, and we must season with the lime and salt. After that, we'll cut into small pieces and we'll heat the pan and add oil and add the prawns to the pan. And little fry it, no need to too much time. ginger garlic paste, quarter teaspoon, little onion, because this prawn frying very soon, no need to fry too much. Mix it well. Add chili, salt, sugar, mix it well. 2 teaspoons of corn flour and 3 into 4 tablespoons of corn flour if need only add, otherwise no need. Here the gravy is not enough. Now enough. We'll off the cooker because the prawns no need to fry too much of time. In 2-3 minutes we can make this prawn pizza. I took a small ball, small dough. I reduced the amount and made the from that same dough we can make 2 pizzas. Like this make. Then the curry is not spilling. Prick from a fork. Preheat the oven for 10 minutes in 200 degrees. I am using just sauce, not pizza seasoning sauce. We can't find here that oregano and all, that's why I am making like this. This is my deviled prawns. It gives good flavor and taste. Put onions also. You can add bell peppers, red and green, and after that onion. After that we are decorating from cheese. We'll bake this in 200 degrees for 20 minutes. Here's my prawn pizza, well baked prawn pizza. We'll cool it and cut and see. You also make and taste and see. It's very tasty and very delicious, and homemade things are very healthy. Here, when you are take it off, apply olive oil or butter or anything around this. Before keeping also apply like this. This is a crispy pizza. We'll cut and see. We'll put around this once again sauce. If you don't like sauce too much, you will skip that one. Now we'll cut and see. We'll cut this. This is very crispy. We'll cut and see. Here and also here see, this is very crispy, and also when you are made in thin layer, it's coming crispy pizza. Very tasty and delicious. Thank you for watching.